Hello from Atifak Visa Solutions Consultant. It is our pleasure to welcome you. If you're thinking about applying for a visit visa or skilled and business immigration to countries like the UK, Canada, the USA, Australia, New Zealand, or countries in the EU, we're here to introduce our outstanding consultancy services, specially designed to help you get your visa approved as smoothly as possible. From the initial assessment to the visa application, we offer comprehensive consultation services. IVS-Consultant is a leading immigration consultant assisting people with the hassle-free accomplishment of their migration dreams. With a team of highly skilled professionals and exhaustive experience in the field, we are constantly working to understand your preferences and figure out what works best for you. Our immigration consultants are helping aspirants to immigrate to Canada and the glorious lands of Australia and improve their career options and quality of life to a great level. With our deep immigration expertise, we handle all your needs: study visas, work permits, LMIA, visitor visas, PR applications, and more. For any inquiries or to schedule a visit, please don't hesitate to contact us at +92 330 402 7772. Please don't hesitate to contact us or visit our office. support@ivcsb.com. Office 311, 3rd floor Century Tower, Karma Chowk Flyover Gulberg, Lahore, Pakistan. Monday through Friday, 10.00 to 18.30.